and heavy showers. Pressure's dropped, as you know, and that's a consequence of pressure dropping. The low centre is over Spain, and we're on an extended arm of it with a couple of fronts wandering around and the isobars tightening. But that in itself is a consequence of something else. You know, the driving force of the weather is the temperature difference aloft. It's a river of air, the jet stream. You've come across it before. When it's this shape, with upside down omega, it spins up the lows in here, and it ain't moving anywhere. Unfortunately, that means nor is the low, hence our weather. Tonight, a few more showers might regenerate over Wales and the West Country, I suspect, in the early hours, and the rain is still there in the northeast of England, Scotland and Northern Ireland. But everywhere it's a relatively mild night. Fairly misty for some, particularly in England and Wales, and it'll be a grey start, disappointing looking start, and it might smell quite humid, but it'll be a different day for some, particularly in Scotland, whilst it starts disappointingly with a telling and strong northeast wind and rain still through the borders and down through Middlesbrough, almost to North Yorkshire. Beyond that, the wind is not a concern and the rain has gone. This is just a grey, smelly start. Smelly in that it smells humid. You think, what's going to happen today? I'll show you in just a second. Limited sunshine, but mildness to start the day. The breeze is almost non-existent and the showers aren't that big for the most part. Wales might be the exception. However, at this part of the UK, it's all very quiet. Jump out of Wales and you come back into this northeaster. And for Northern Ireland, the morning may not be quite as nice as you'd like, but possibly not as wet as Tuesday was. Now, this is 8 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. As the day progresses, the rain disappears from the highlands of Scotland, sun comes out. Rain's still there on the northeast coast of England and in Northern Ireland to a degree, and the showers are fewer, so there's more sunshine, June sunshine injecting a bit more warmth. East coast cold, you'll notice, that's the wind's influence. Inland, 20 or 21, a warmer day than today. And then from Wednesday onwards, the showers and the rain in the north of the UK tend to die down. Our next influence comes from continental Europe. As this rain comes in the early hours of Thursday, it's accompanied by a strengthening wind. Thursday itself, a day where you'll notice the wind, but you won't necessarily have the rain. They share down here. So again, the temperature is influenced by